Good morning and welcome to ForexTV.com's AM Forex New York. Today is Wednesday, December 12th. I'm Caitlin Sisney. The dollar declined against 13 of the 16 most active currencies after the Fed acknowledged that economic growth is slowing while inflation risks remain, adding to concern the central bank may not be able to revive the world's largest economy. However, the dollar rose against the yen on speculation the Federal Reserve will continue to make funds available to banks to avoid the squeeze on credit. Yen is trading at 111.19. The pound rose against the dollar after the rate cut, increasing the yield of advantage of UK assets. Sterling is trading at 204.36. Meanwhile, euro is trading at 146.83. Today we're joined by Brian Taylor from M&T Bank. He'll give his outlook for the Forex market.
Good morning. The currency market finds itself in a dilemma with both the equity markets and the commodity markets. The Federal Reserve Bank yesterday lowered its rate to 4.25%, but the market seems a little concerned about how the Federal Reserve Bank is going to approach the forthcoming year. The Federal Reserve Bank said that the risk seems to be roughly equal, they removed their assessment that the growth and inflation risks were roughly equal and cited uncertainty about the outlook. Given this, the market seemed to question the Fed's direction in terms of lowering rates further to help the economy out. Given this, you saw the euro drop yesterday and the carry trades come off as the dollar-yen kind of stayed the same, but the pound gained overnight due to the fact that their jobless claims came in a little bit better than expected. The market seems to be extremely confused as the equity markets overnight in Asia and in Europe both declined. Overnight, we saw the Nikkei drop 112 points, the Hang Seng dropped 705 points, and S&P ASX 200 index dropped another 65 points. But the good news is that this morning's equity markets, the futures are up, and given that, you might see a push somewhat in the equity market, which will, again, help the market come in and say, we want to put on more carry trades. The market seems a little confused right now in the direction, again, of where they want the market to go. In terms of our currency here at M&T Bank, what we're looking at is the dollar-yen. The market seems to be stuck right under those 55-day moving average of about 163.70. Given this, it closed there a couple times both Monday and Tuesday, but now, again, is back under that level. The market seems to be wary of that, and any move downward can spur a move back down the 159 and the 158 area. What we think is the play here at M&T is that the euro may be the lead in the drop. Given the fact that the euro has not sustained a move above 147 in the last few days, we think that the market will tire of the euro and there's a sell-off. The market seems extremely overbought right now in the euro, and even though the Fed lowered rates, the eurozone economy is not that much better. And also, the market expects the ECB to lower rates going forward. We see the euro dropping possibly back down to the 145, 144 range before the end of the year, before moving back up as the market becomes a little bit more clear on what the Federal Reserve Bank is doing and the ECB Bank. Overnight, the market had heard news that the Federal Reserve or the banking industry would get a liquidity boost. And given this, we saw the dollar Swiss gain overnight, and we saw the dollar-yen gain overnight. If this is true, the market will be happy to put on the carry trades. But no one has been able to confirm this rumor yet, so we'll see going forward. Again, have a great day and trade them well.
Thank you, Brian. That was Brian Taylor from M&T Bank. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us again later for another update right here on ForexTV.com.